Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A23 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here click to volume section and just to unmute ringtone volume we should hold and swipe to the right side this dot. If you wanna change the ringtone volume to mute it with the volume buttons, we should just to unmute it. Let's just mute it here. And just to unmute it with the volume buttons, be sure that volume keys for media switcher is turned off. And now let's press up volume button and we just successfully also unmute volume ringtone with our volume buttons. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.